The small shop owner has bought in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
एक ही जगह पे मिलके those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Comparison, there are 3 types:
up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
We are Claris. We are top on the Everest. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Hi friends, good afternoon to one and all. In front of you, this is E.Shamina of 8th standard from Mahendrahills. Friends, I am thinking that you are eager to listen what I am going to tell you, right? Okay friends, fine. So friends, do you find why I am here? Yeah, you are right. Today we are going to learn an interesting chapter from a part of statistics. Statistics is nothing but a branch of mathematics which leads with collections, classifications and frequency distribution data is called statistics, and the statistics word is derived as statistica and collegium and Italian statistica. And friends, do you know who developed this? Yeah, father of modern statistics is Ronald Fisher and father of Indian Prasantham Chandran. Okay friends, firstly I want to ask some questions. Are you ready to give the answers? Okay friends, see. What is this picture showing? Yeah, this is a table. And what's the table showing? Yeah, this is a table about scores of cricket players in cricket. Okay, and observe this and tell me who did highest scores. Okay friends, you are right, Sachin Tendulkar. And we know about him. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricket player and he is called as god of cricket also. Okay friends, usually we collect data and draw the conclusions based on the nature. By understanding its nature, we do certain computations like mean, median, mode are the central tendency of measures. First is mean. Mean is nothing but the average, that is sum of all observations divided by number of all observations. First is mean. This is the data. Data is nothing but information available in numerical form or graphical form or verbal form that helps in taking decisions and drawing conclusions is called data. Okay friends, there are two types of data. One is grouped data and one is ungrouped data, right friends? And give an example, suppose 20, 19, 16, 14, 5, 7, 10, 4. These are the marks of my class students. Okay friends, this is the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means it does not follow particular manner. Okay friends. And next see 0 to 5. How many students got 0 to 5 marks? Only 2 students. And next 6 to 10. Only 1 student. And 11 to 15. Only 1 student. 16 to 20. 4 students. Okay friends, got it? These are the grouped data. Grouped data can follow particular manner and this is ungrouped data. It does not follow particular manner. Okay friends, And next is mean. The mean is simply the average, okay friends. That is sum of all observations divided by number of observations called arithmetic mean. See friends, these are the class marks of my class members. And we are going to do mean. Example 20 plus 19 plus 16 plus 14 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 4 by how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. And we should do sum of this. 7 plus 4, 11, 15, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, 26 plus 9, yeah, 35, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 95, 95 by 8. This is the mean. And next one is median. The median is simply the middle term of the distribution when it is arranged in either ascending order or descending order. Okay friends. And next is mode. The mode is most frequently occurring value is called mode. So friends, we are aware of this and we learnt in our previous class. So today we are going to learn an interesting chapter. No, what is about that? Yes, I will show you pictures. You should tell the answers. What is this picture? Wow, yes friends, this is a picture about a curve from falling from upper to lower. And what is this picture? Yeah friends, this is going from downwards to upwards. And this, yeah, this is the two curves and the middle one is median. So friends, these are called ogive curves. Ogive curves is nothing but, this is pronounced as ogive. Ogive means the word is derived from og. Og is nothing but a arc, convex arc, a concave arc flowing to the convex arc. Got it friends? Yeah. Next, so friends, this is the distribution table and the initial value and end value of a particular class is called intervals. Okay friends, the average of upper limit of a class and the lower limit of a successive class is called upper boundary of a class. The average of lower limit of a class and the upper limit of a preceding class is called lower boundary. Got it friends? These are the frequencies. And next, before I said that today we are going to learn about cumulative frequency curves. So friends, what do you mean by cumulative frequency curves? Today we are going to learn an interesting chapter, that is construction of drawings of cumulative frequency distribution curves. So friends, what do you mean by cumulative frequency curves? So let it learn. Cumulative frequency is the progressive total of frequencies from either first or last class to the particular class is called cumulative frequency. No? And in this there are two types of cumulative frequencies. One is GCF and second is LCF. GCF means greater than cumulative frequency and LCF means less than cumulative frequency. So friends, for cumulative frequency example, actually the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Magnet School or Mahendrahills wanted to conduct an entrance exam to join the 5th class students. So the 500 students are appeared. For those we want only 80 students. Okay friends, now we are going to take the 80 students. So we should find the cutoff marks of that and we did 100 marks. Okay friends, how can we do that? So let us learn about that. Yeah, see this friends, the 0 to 10 marks got 50 students and for 50 students got 10 to 20 marks and 100 students got 20 to 30 marks and so on. So friends, for this we should cut off the mark and we should find the how many students we are going to take and for the above students, above marks. So friends, for this we need greater than cumulative frequency. Okay friends. Greater than cumulative frequency is the progressive sum of frequencies from the last class up to the lower boundary of a particular class is called greater than cumulative frequency. See friends, in greater than cumulative frequency, we are going to add from bottom. Okay friends, see 5 as the 5 same, and 5 plus 5 equal to 10, 10 plus 10 equal to 20, 20 plus 40 equal to 60 and so on. Okay friends, so observe this and tell me where should we cut off the marks. Wow, Sweros, you are brilliant, right. Where the see that the 80 was stopped there, where the 50 to 60 marks got. See friends, see here the marks the 80 students got. Okay friends, here see 50 to 60 marks. So, who got 50 above marks, we should take that students. Okay friends. And next is less than cumulative frequency. For this example, see less than cumulative frequency. The progressive total of frequencies from first class to the upper class boundary of a particular class is called less than cumulative frequency. A teacher wants to train some students who got below 50. So, she wants to know about how many students she is going to train. Okay friends, see for this less than cumulative frequency, we add from the top, and 50 plus 50 equal to 100, 100 plus 100 equal to 200, 200 plus 20 equal to 220 and so on. Did you got it friends? So, she recognized that she is going to train 420 students. See, 420 students. Today, and we are going to learn about curves. These curves are used in accumulation. Okay friends. One is greater than cumulative frequency curve and one is less than cumulative frequency curve. This is the greater than cumulative frequency curve from flowing to upwards to downwards, and this is the less than cumulative frequency curve from going to downwards to upwards, and this is the finding median. So friends, do you know how to draw this? Yeah, okay. So now we will learn about it. Okay friends. Finding the median. Actually, the annual profit earned by the 30 shops, we should find the median. Okay friends. 5 to 10 lakhs got 2 shops. 2 shops got 5 to 10 lakhs of profit, and 12 shops got 10 to 15 profit lakhs, and 2 shops got 15 to 20 lakhs of profit. So friends, now firstly we want to draw greater than cumulative frequency. For that, see this, in greater than cumulative frequency, I already told that we should add from the bottom. Okay friends. 3 as the same 3, and 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 equal to 10 and so on. These are the lower boundaries and these are the frequencies. Okay friends, the lower boundaries comes into x axis and the frequencies comes into y axis. Okay friends, are you ready to draw the graphs? Okay friends, I know you are always ready, right friends? See, slide. This is the y axis and this is the x axis. We should write scale also friends, okay. Scale x axis equal to 1 centimeter equal to 5 units, and on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Okay friends, this is a 0 and this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Here also we should take 5 units for 1 centimeter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay friends, firstly on the x-axis 5 and the frequency is 30. So, in this 5, 30. Okay friends, now we are doing GCF, means greater than cumulative frequency, curves. What is doing? Yes, curves. 5 to 30. We should plot the point here, and next 10 and 28, 10 and 28 below, between 25 to 30 here, and next 20, 15 and 16, 15 and 16, and next 20 and 14, 20 and 14, and next 25 and 10. We should point here, and next 30 and 7 below 5 to 10 between, and next 35 and 3. So friends, we should leave this like only, or what we'll do? Yeah friends, we should attach all the points. Okay friends, you are right. Yeah, correct, over. This is a greater than cumulative frequency, and next less than cumulative frequency curve. This is a less than cumulative frequency curve. In the less than cumulative frequency table, we should add from the top. Okay friends. Two plus 12 equal to 14, 14 plus 2 equal to 16, 16 plus 4 equal to 20, like so on. And these are the upper boundaries and these are the less than cumulative frequency. In greater than cumulative frequency, we use lower boundaries, and less than cumulative frequency we use upper boundaries. Okay friends. And now we are going to draw less than cumulative frequency curve. Okay friend. First 10 and 2, 10 and 2 here. Okay friend. And next 15 and 14, 15 on x axis, 14 on y axis. And next 20 and 16, 20 and 16. Okay friends, are you observing me? Yeah. Next 25 and 20. And next 30 and 23, 30 and 23, and next 35 and 27, 35 and 27, and next 40 and 30, 40 and 30. Now we should join all the points. So friends, can you tell me what is the median here? Yeah friends, where the two curves intersect, that is the median. So this is the median 17.5. Okay friends, did you got it? Yeah, I know you are brilliant. Next is application. So friends, we have already learned this and over it, and we should learn about where we use. So applications of ogive curves applied in physical science and engineering. See friends, in ballistics or aerodynamics, an ogive is pointed and curved surface mainly used to form streamline of a nose of bullets and other projectiles. Okay friends. And next in architecture. See friends, these are the curves which intersects. In architecture, a very narrow, steeply pointed ogive arc is also sometimes called as lancet arc. The most common form is that equilateral arc, where the radius is the same as the width. Okay friends. And next is woodworking. In woodworking, an ogive is a type of curve. A piece of wood can be shaped in different types of curves. Okay friend. And next, geology. See friends, these are the some rocks or mountains, etc. These can be as a curves like this, this and this. So ogives are used to observe in geology tropical changes of glaciers and ice densities in different seasons. Okay friends, now we'll summary of this. So I prepared a chart for you. This is a mind map and this is the data. Data are two types, one is grouped data and one is ungrouped data. By this grouped data and ungrouped data, we can make mean, median, mode. Okay friends, we can find mean, median, mode. And next, frequencies. In the frequencies, there are cumulative frequencies. In cumulative frequency, there are two types. One is LCF and one is GCF. LCF means it's going from downwards to upwards, and GCF means it flows upwards to downwards. Okay friends, and from this GCF and LCF we can find median also. Okay friends. So friends, where do you find the books? Suppose you want to learn some more about this. So you want to reference books, right friends? These are the reference books. Introduction to Statistics, Index to ABBA and APA Dictionary and Mathematical Statistics. So friends, you want to learn something new now, and if you want to learn more than this, you can refer these books. Okay friends, your homework is to find summative assessment median by using ogive curves. Okay friends. So friends, yeah. Can I repeat again for you? Less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency? Yeah. Yeah friends, see this, less than cumulative frequency. The progressive total of frequencies from first class to the upper boundary of a particular class is called less than cumulative frequency. And next, the greater than cumulative frequency. The progressive sum of frequencies from the first class to the lower boundary of a particular class is called greater than cumulative frequency. And next, cumulative frequency. Progressive total of frequencies from either the first or last class to the particular class. This is called cumulative frequencies. Okay friends, did you got it? What is cumulative frequency? What is less than cumulative frequency? What is greater than cumulative frequency?
My name is Vidyarani. I am from Vaira in Khammam district. I have one doubt.
Okay friend, can you tell your doubt?
What is the class mark and class size?
Can you repeat once again? Hello? Okay friend, nothing. She wants to ask some questions. Okay, fine. Next. Okay friends, and this is greater than cumulative frequency curves and this is less than cumulative frequency curves. Today we had learned so much about frequency curves, how to draw frequency curves and so on. Okay friends, you should teach your classmates also. Okay friends, did you learn from this? Yeah. And friends, from this I think you got how to draw graphs and how to make frequency distribution tables, right friends? And tell to your group mates. And lastly, I want to thankful our secretary sir to giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my views with you, and I so thankful to our mentor teacher Venkat sir and Manvi madam supported me, and I was so thankful to you my friends.